trash is a modern human problem. In America, about 26 billion pounds of clothing are discarded every year. According to National Geographic in 2016, China and Indonesia are the world's largest contributors to trash. Indeed, we are a species that produces waste. However, in many places, there are numerous recycling plants scattered around the world. Curious about how they look? Check out the following review of the most amazing recycling plants. Damaged tires, if burned, would cause air pollution, but if processed with high quality, they can be profitable. This is what one of the best tire recycling plants in Denmark, Eldan Recycling, does. They accept all kinds of waste, from small car tires to truck tires. The plant can produce various sizes. Workers no longer touch the waste themselves. There's the SC 2118T that transports the tire waste and chops it up. The plant also has large containers, including the Eldan MPR 167T chopping machine. There's a cleaning machine, as well as a large sieving machine, the fine granulator FG 1504, and the Eldan classifier PC 15T. In this recycling process, it turns out that the textile and steel fragments must be separated. Then they are further separated into textiles and rubber. Using the PC-15 machine, 99% pure rubber granules are produced and packed in white sacks. For the best quality, 10 tons of used tires can be processed in just 5 hours. Wow! Next is the aluminum recycling plant. There are two of the best, one of which is in India at Dhanvantri Engineers. In this plant, all the used aluminum is melted in a furnace. The molten aluminum flows into long-shaped casting containers, so it becomes new aluminum material, right? Then in Germany, there's Novelis. This aluminum plant, driven by a spirit to save the environment, uses the latest machines and has a neat work plan with a clean and organized space, hardly looking like a trash place. The recycling method is the same as in India, but with faster machines and higher quantity. The range of products produced is also diverse. Perhaps the worst kind of waste is used plastic bottles. You and I might be the main producers. This most abundant trash is recycled at the largest facility. Claimed to be the world's largest plastic bottle recycling plant, it's located in California, Carbon Light. The KCE TSOCal Connected channel once uploaded a video giving an inside look at this large plant. Entering a facility worth $60 million, it processes up to 2 billion plastic bottles a year. The process begins with sorting, where only recyclable plastic bottles are processed. Look for the symbol. Then they're compressed and the labels removed. After that, they're crushed into small granules similar to rice or sugar grains, referred to as cornflakes. These plastic granules are then sent to a bottle plant to be made into new plastic bottles. This cycle continues. When you discard a bottle, it's sent to this plant to be turned into a new bottle, and the cycle of disposal and recycling goes on. Waste from milk, cream, chocolate cartons, and others can perhaps still be creatively repurposed into crafts like toys or decorations. But on a larger scale, a specialized plant is needed. Take Sappi, for instance, a plant in Cape Town, South Africa that recycles cardboard into paper. Here, sorted cardboard is mixed with water in a grinding machine and turned into a paste. This cardboard pulp is then heated while being transferred to the papermaking section. In this machine, you can adjust the thickness of the paper being produced. The still wet paper roll, once enlarged, is dried before being wound onto rolls ready to be shipped to other plants that produce products from recycled cardboard. And how about recycling clothing? A factory video shows how. Fabrics are shredded and ground, and there's a machine specifically for pulling fibers from denim. There are lots of used denim ready for processing. First, the denim is separated from its stitching. Then, the denim is shredded, its fibers or threads pulled out, ground, and prepared to be turned into new clothing. This AFGI plant is located in Karachi, Pakistan. it was initially established to reduce the negative impact of the textile business, such as clothing waste. So, even though their motives are also commercial, producing commodities that will eventually become waste, at least, they're trying. Hey, how about you? How many trash bins do you have at home? But where do you dispose of your trash? Okay, that's all for this review. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.